Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today we're talking about the 8 things men look for in a woman before making a move. You ever notice how some guys can talk to almost anyone, but when it comes to you, he hesitates? It's not that he's not interested. It's that men don't make a move until certain things about a woman click for them, things that tell him she's different. So today, we're decoding the 8 things men quietly look for in a woman before they decide to make a move. Let's dive right in. 1. The way she responds, not reacts. Men pay attention to your reactions more than your words. If you can stay calm when things get awkward or emotional, it tells them you're emotionally mature, and that's magnetic. A woman who doesn't get easily thrown off shows she can handle life, and that gives him the green light to open up more. Because when a guy sees that your energy stays grounded, he feels safe expressing his own emotions. That's when he starts thinking, maybe she's someone I can trust. 2. How she makes him feel around her. Men may be visual, but feelings drive action. Before he ever decides to make a move, he's asking himself subconsciously, how do I feel when I'm around her? If your energy feels peaceful, fun, or easy to be around, he'll want to come closer. But if it feels tense, judgmental, or performative, he'll hold back. Men crave that feeling of emotional safety, the sense that they can be themselves without being criticized or compared. It's not about perfection, it's about presence. Because a man will always move toward the woman who makes him feel comfortable in his own skin. 3. Her subtle confidence. Confidence isn't loud. It's the quiet energy that says, I know my worth, but I don't need to prove it. Men notice that instantly. It shows in how you walk, how you hold eye contact, and how you don't chase attention. A woman who carries herself with that subtle confidence triggers a man's respect, not just his attraction. He sees someone he wants to impress, not someone he can play with. And that difference? That's the switch that makes him take her seriously. 4. Her natural femininity. No, not makeup or dresses, but the energy that makes her soft yet strong. Men notice the way a woman laughs, the way she plays, the way she listens. That feminine ease, where you're not trying to control everything, is what draws them in. It's not about pretending to be delicate, it's about letting your natural warmth show. When a woman feels good in her feminine energy, men can feel it. It's the kind of energy that doesn't chase, it attracts. 5. If she's genuinely kind. Men notice kindness, especially how you treat people who can't do anything for you. The waiter, the cleaner, the old lady struggling with her bag. These small moments say more about you than anything else. Because men might be drawn to looks, but they fall for warmth. A kind woman makes a man feel emotionally safe. It's not weakness, it's strength wrapped in softness. And every emotionally mature man is drawn to that. 6. How she flirts. This is a big one. Men look for signals, they don't like guessing forever. If you hold eye contact a second longer, tease him playfully, or lightly touch his arm when you laugh, those are cues that tell him it's safe to approach. Flirting is how men test if there's a spark before risking rejection. It's not about being obvious, it's about creating a small emotional yes. That moment he feels, okay, she's into me too. That's when he finally makes his move. 7. Her energy when she's alone. Men notice the woman who can enjoy her own company. When she's not always on her phone or desperate for validation, it's incredibly attractive. It tells him she's not looking for a man to complete her. She's inviting one to connect with her. That independence makes her glow differently. It shows she has her own world, her own peace, and her own rhythm. And that's exactly the kind of woman men feel drawn to pursue. 8. Whether she feels real. At the end of the day, what every guy wants is authenticity. He's drawn to the woman who laughs genuinely, talks honestly, and isn't afraid to show her quirks. That realness stands out in a world where everyone's performing. Men can sense when someone's wearing a mask, and when they finally meet a woman who feels real, it hits deep. Because for him, that's not just attractive, it's rare. And that's when he knows, she's the one I want to get closer to. So, if you've ever wondered why he hasn't made a move yet, remember, it's not always because he's not interested. Sometimes he's still watching, still figuring out if those deeper things align. And when they do, he won't hesitate. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.